Yeah guys, sanibonani uphendulana okhuluma umjo Qubulashi nondlela encanhla zinemba zezinegazi umqali nabanye abamazi ngomkhize ke bafethu. Namhlanje ngiyani welcome kugumbi lamatshitshi talk show with uGogutshitshi. Namhlanje sinoGogutshitshi ke namhlanje. uGogutshitshi abantu abamaziyo ke umphathi weqembu lamatshitshi usually ke kuthiwa umuntu ophethe internet iqembu lamatshitshi unomehlo. But yena make sichazelela wathi yena akusunomehlo kodwa uphethe iqembu lamatshitshi. Sawubona mamnyama.
Ngiyaphila njani Bhuti?
Bengicela uphinde uzazise kubabukeli so that bangabe ngathi mhlambe ngigambela phambili uzazise ukuthi uGogutshitshi ngempela so that nomuntu engakwazi akwazi.
Yes. Sanibonani babukeli begumbi lamatshitshi. Ukhulumayo uGogutshitshi uDineo wakatsoTeds. I-founder ye-organization ebizwa ngokuthi Makukhanye Cultural Group based ePhoko, sisebenzele Art Center, ngiwumphathi weyintombi. Angisiyena unomehlo.
So ngicela ukubuza Gogutshitshi according to your understanding kwakho yini tshitshi?
Itshitshi?
Yes.
Itshitshi intombi, umuntu wesifazane oyumntwana wentombazana ongakaze ahlangane nomuntu wesilisa ngokweqansi. Itshitshi yilokho engingakusho ukuthi umuntu onjalo ongakaze nje ahlangane nomuntu wesilisa.
So umuntu uba itshitshi ngokuthi abe sematshitshini noma uyakwazi ukuthi abe itshitshi kodwa behlala endlini?
Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi abe itshitshi aphinde ayihlalele endlini.
So ekukhuleni kwakho umuntu kuhamba amatshitshi noma into amatshitshi into oyithande ngoba usunabantwana manje ubona abantwana sebene interest nayo kulento le yamatshitshi?
Cha, amatshitshi kahle kahle into engaqala nami ngihambe ebuncaneni bami. Ngayi-introduce nje ngiyibona ekuhlaleni kunaba umunye usisi nje bekaxoxa umntana bakubo kuhlala kugidwa kuloyo muzi loyo. Ngathi ngidlula nami ngabuza isikenzwani la ekhaya. Wathiwa kuyagidwa amatshitshi, so into engasuka nayo ebuncaneni engayithola la ngakukhulela khona ePalm Ridge. So lo sisi bekasithatha sihambe siye kuGogThembi eThokoza ehostel kula sasihlolwa khona ke thina. So ngikhuliswe umuntu obekamncane at the time awumphathi nayo weyintombi kodwa angazihloli. Asithatha asisa kubogogo abahlolayo eThokoza ehostel. So yaqala lapho nje ijeni yami yamatshitshi. Akusinto engizothi ngicale sengimdala ngoba ngibona sekune popularity kakhulu then ngathi nami ithi ngithathe ngikhe emoyeni. Cha, ngasuka kuyo nga-understanda imithetho yakhona ne-impact ebakhona nje emntwini makahamba le ndlela yobuntombi.
So kuleya jeni ngesasikhathi ubusakhula ngawusichazela ukuthi how was the journey like ngithi because unobona amatshitshini everywhere la khona iy'ntombi especially ezamatshitshi khona ibowling khona ukuhletshwa khona nje izinto ezingakwenza ukuthi uphazamiseke endleleni ohambayo. So wena mawuyithola kulawo ma-situations lawa kanjalo buwenza kanjani ukusurvive as intombi
at that time? Yes. At that time yabo lento leyo ayikho into difficult njengaleyo. That is the most difficult thing to actually face, nokuthi phinde kube nama-resolutions around leyo nto leyo. Into enzima kakhulu ngoba uzothola ukuthi umona into ihlala ikhona ebantwini ne. So ngaleso sikhathi leso ke bekungakadumi kakhulu lento yokuthi emacembini wethu lawa amancane kuba namagosa. Thina amagosa wethu besiwathola masifike ehostel akunabusisi abadala bangaphezulu kwethu. Kunamagosa walapho ngoba ukhumbule lento yayibuye eNatal ngaleso sikhathi ibisaqala ukuduma ngapha eGoli, especially kithi Katlehong, Thokoza kanjalo. So i-bullying bekuba into enzima yokuthi siyithekile besizithola sesiyekele ematshitshini because khona umuntu okuhlebile uzolandwa kini uyashawa uthi uxoxela umphathi or uxoxela unomehlo. Bebangapay attention kakhulu ekuxazululeni inkinga ezifana ne-bullying nokuhlebana ematshitshini. Besizithola nje sesiphumile, uzithola nje sowuyekile ematshitshini because ulandwe kini or ushayiwe or mawufika uyahlekwa, mawugida uyahlekwa wa-understand ukuthi ngihlekelani. Into nje engiyibona beyi-challenge kakhulu bekuwukuthi bekungena ama-skills abantu abadala la bebasiphethe ebabakwazi ukuwa-aplya kithi ekusolveni lezo yinkinga. Besigcina siyekela, sigcina sesizithola ubuningi bethu sesingithi sibancane sashiyeka kanjalo nje endleleni ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu. So at the time honestly speaking I can't think of i-solution ebe ba in place for us ukuthi kulungiswe lezo inkinga lezo.
So manje ngendlela like ufila ngayo manje or ngendlela izinto zenzeke ngayo that time, do you think ukuthi onomehlo indlela abahandlisha ngayo ama situation ngesasikhathi leso busakhula infailile nina abanye abantwana ukuthi bagcina sebeyiyeke intombini baphume bagcina sebe banabantwana or mhlambe benza okunye ukuhlukile?
Ngiyafila ukuthi abonomehlo bethu at that time kakhulukazi ngifuna ukugcile baphathini because my experience was with umphathi umuntu obekangahloli intombi, bekumuntu naye usayikhulela mhlawumbe bekangekho well equipped ukuthi angathekula lezo zinto lezo, kodwa thina we were failed. Ngikhulumela laba engikhule nabo mina ebengihamba nabo eqembini lami. Ngifila ukuthi at the time siye safailwa ukuthi sigcinelele sifike ekuthenini singafezi indlela yethu ngokugcwele eyintombini.
Ephi situation okwayifacea emajijini as itshitshi ngesasikhathi kusakhula wafile ngathi azange ngihendelishe ngendlela right or mhlambe yakuhlukumeza umoya wasiwenza isithembiso njengoba manje usunomehlo awuyifuni ukuthi iphinde yenzeke einganeni zakho nalezo iphethe?
Okay, into engizoyiqala ngayo ukuthi mina emajijini ngile ngane le very confident. Number 1, ngifila ukuthi lokho futhi iye yasebenza against mina. Ngekwasebenza against mina ukuba ne-confidence, ngihlala ngifuna ngi-inquisitive, ngifuna ukufunda. Mangibona umuntu agida kahle ngifuna ukumnamathela ngigide, then bese ngiba being name called. Uzenza ngcono, ucabanga ukuthi uyitshitshi elisidlulayo thina. Uthando abonomehlo abanye like masihambile semicimbini osethokoza uGokthembi would semshadweni wena bangaphambili gida masifika le phambili. So lokho kuyenza ukuthi kube nomona obakhona kulaba engihamba nabo ngibuya nabo ekhaya. So izinto ezifana nalezo zi-create ukuthi ngigcine ngizidoubt kwasanami, ngiwe umoya ngokuthi angeke ngisenza so because manje angisabi nabangani or angibi nabantu abangiselebratayo if ngiyazibonakalisa ukuthi ngisebenza kanzima and ngiyazikhandla ngiyayithanda lento. So lento leyo kakhulu mina yadila ne-self esteem yami ezomuntu. Ngaqala ngaba umuntu ozidawuthayo, ngaqala ngahlala ngithi angisafuni ukwenza izinto ngoba bazothi ngizenza ngcono. Then that thing yabreaka nje i-character yami as a young person at the time.
So manje njengoba okay siqale from igama lika Kokutshitshi, uthola kanjani igama lika Kokutshitshi because I'm sure there's a story behind the name?
Yeah, yes, it's very funny because mhlambe mangaqala ngokuthi when the decision came ukuthi ngiqale iqembu leintombi elamajiji.
Yes,
it was back in 2017-2018 ngacela la ngangihlolwa khona ePambridge lelo qembu ngoba labantu engangihlola nabo balivusa futhi.
Oh yes.
Yes. So umama walosisi lo bekasi mentora thina at the time wabe sekabuyile emakhaya waba unomehlo ngaya khona ekhaya ukuthi ngicela nizonginceda ngihlale eFosloras, ngicela nizonginceda nenzeni camp kwami, then simachena abantu babe yabona i-awareness. That's how we sibona i-visibility, that's how we raise awareness emphakathini ukuthi oh sibona amajiji kanti akuphi nendawo bese abantu beze bakokode kwakho uqale kanjalo intombi. So amajiji ngaqala ukuba umphathi wawo 2018 eFosloras eBasuthwini. So at the time yabona umncane namanje I still feel ukuthi ngisesemncane, abanye banokuthi unamajiji lo omncane kanje. So later on, which is fast forward 2018 angisho ngilibele ngineyintombi, then later on ngimuvela la eSprite ngiba namajiji la eSprite yangivuma kakhulu ke la eSprite into yeyintombi kuseBasuthwini lana bayijwayelanga leyo nto uring webo. So kwaba into entsha engiletha ecommunity. So mangihamba ama camp ngiyamenywa yabona lalayo cembu lanya lami lincane lalana, ngiyafika bathi oh nawe uyitshitshi, ngithi cha ngisiyitshitshi mina ngiyabona umphathi, bathi cha ubukeka ngathi uyitshitshi. So abaphathi bamajiji babizwa abogogo. So kwathiwa oh ugogo engathi yitshitshi.
Oh, wasuwena ukulungisa kahle.
Hayi mina futhi kwaba yizintombi ecampini ezithi Gokjiji.
Oh,
Angazi noma ngiyenzise.
So lagcina vele
sagcina seku Gokjiji. Everywhere I go mabangibona abantwana ngimenyiwe emacampini. Nangu Gokjiji ufikile.
So
kwaba igama lami ke from being uMatsoteti isibongo sami to being called uGokjiji.
Oh yeah.
La gijima kanjalo. I think ilize ngalendlela vele amagama amaningi weintombi eza ngalo. Babheke mhlambe ngendlela ongayo. Bakubize ngale mhlambe yabo or babheke ngendlela osebenza ngayo ukuthi ayilona isipiliyoni bese kuba usipiliyoni into kanjalo nje. So nami I embraced i-creativity yabo abantwana ukuthi bahlanganise lokho ukuthi ugogo wamatshitshi nokuthi ubukeka njengetshitshi bakuhlanganisa ke.
So manje lesikhathi samanje is TikTok,
yeah,
there's Facebook, there's Instagram, yonke lento le. So according to wena ngendlela obheka ngayo lezi zinto zinayiphi impact kujeni intombi ezihamba yamatshitshi lento ze social media lezi?
I-social media it's very tricky honestly. Social media it's tricky in a sense eyokuthi there's good side of the social media and then there's bad side of the social media.
Yes.
That is all the time. Yabo mhlezi ngithi in everything in life kune advantage kune disadvantage yento, but ngifila ukuthi idlale i-role enkulu in raising awareness no embrace le culture yobuntombi as a whole ne culture yesiZulu, to broaden it so that abantu abaningi babe aware ukuthi oh there's into so incede ngalokho i-advantage yayo and into enhle ngayo ukuthi ikwazi ukufinyelela nalabe sithi intombi angeze zibe khona, but because of the social media le culture yeintombi ikwazi ukufinyelela in across the globe. In fact everywhere across the globe if you search ku TikTok uzothola something about amatshitshi. Sifollow abantu abasemazweni esingabazi but bayayithanda le nto yenziwani nenzani. So ngithanda lokho, that's the side engithanda nge-social media. But for amatshitshi i-bad side yayo ukuthi if umntanakho as umzali ne nami as a parent mina ngiyamonithara ama-account abantwana bami all the time. Umuntu makapostile akhona ama-account wabo efonini yami. So there's Gokjiji, there's a business enye, there's umehlo, there's u16. So mabaposta anything benza anything interaction ebakhona I am there ngiyayibheka. You understand?
Yes.
So i-bad side ukuthi if umzali uzoba ignorant in checking ama pages wabantwana babo, that is when kuzoba ne-disadvantage eningi and then abantwana bathola ukulimala. Number one, umntana khona akazoposta i-content ongayi-approvanga as a parent or umphathi weyintombi, that child uzibeka engcupheni ukuthi abe targeted in a way.
Oh yeah, human trafficking.
Yes, human trafficking. Bazomspota oh umehlo ugcoke kanje or u16 ugcoke kanje, oh ima kukhanya igcoka lamakhala, oh baba sendaweni kanje makuso. Then umntana uba nanoma ngabe sekayikhumulile imvunulo uhamba njani already. That's why ngithi if akuna proper monitoring of ama page weyintombi then abantwana bethu bazolimala, bayanyamalala, sihlezi si-reposta sifuna ukuthi khona aba kidnappiwe. So if we are not as parents monitoring ama page wabantwana bethu, then we are allowing social media to have a negative impact eyintombini.
So indlela intombi eseyigqoka ngayo manje from uniform yesikolo, from bese matshitshini, from indlela abasekhaya ungathini ngayo? Because to be honest ngendlela esike sibheke ngayo ukuthi ngokuhlukahlukana kwamakhaya ikhona le culture le Muslim bethu umzimba ucover wonke kuvela amehlo omkhulu. Those people is rare tholakala bene case rape, yabona. So amatshitshi lento yabo ukuthi bagqoka into emfushane bese ekhaya bagqoka into emfushane bengaphandle esitrateni bagqoka into emfushane bese esikoleni bagqoka into emfushane bese mjayivo into ezikanjalo, kuyinto eba affecta kanjani? Or mhlawumbe because omunye out there uzobuza ukuthi hayibo uphe nani umbuzo wakhe uhloseni noma ubheke kuphi, because as much as today khona ama case rape, amatshitshi agcwele ku case rape, agcwele ku case yokubulawa, yabona. So we are checking some of the things ezenza ukuthi zilidele to that situation. So what advice can you give to labantwana laba bangamatshitshi ngendlela yokugqoka, especially lento zabo imfushane abayigqokayo?
Yeah, yazi kunenkinga ngicabanga kakhulu when it comes to even i-uniform yesikole. Sinenkinga yabantwana abeyintombi, angazi noma because sebajwayele ukuthi ematshitshini sigcoka into eyincane, sifake igeti encane, they think they are permitted ukuthi nasesikolweni kugcoka into emfishane. Sikhohle futhi ukuthi there's an opposite sex esi-interacta nayo 8 right then, be it uya-invite umfana akhulume nawe or invite, you are always looked, because umuntu wesilisa uzohlezi aheheya yinto ayibona emdonsayo amehlo. So mina into engizoyisho eyintombini zonke la ngaphandle ukuthi asihlonipheni imizimba yethu, izintombi hloniphani imizimba yenu. Can you please makugcokwa into emfishane kube sekuthi kuseyintombini lana zikhona ukuthi kune protection abonomehlo, kune protection, sinababo malume abakwaziyo ukugada intombi abangafuni lutho futhi when kusemicimbini eyintombi bayakwata nje. Ngiyathemba naye ubhuti la ngasho nje ukuthi akazwani nento esinathi mangabe asemsebenzini wakhe abhizi neyintombi.
Yes,
we understand. So can we please, ngiyacela kuzo zonke intombi out there, please respect your bodies to a point where if niseyikolweni nisemasontweni or nisemaphathini, gcoka ngendlela ekungukuthi expose ube in a vulnerable situation where you are easily targeted ukuthi ungafakwe ebhuthini uhambe uyorejwa uyoyenzwa i-gang rape.
Yes.
Respect umzimba wakho to that point where you can reveal your body. You are more than there. Kune freedom enkulu kabe entombini ukuthi ninini kumhlonyane, they don't wear ama-vest, bahamba ngamabele wabo bafaka ama-necklace, nifake igedze nezimfishane lapho. That's where you can say I'm showing my body off, I'm proud of being a chichi, but it doesn't mean ukuthi leyo pride yakho uyisebenzise with ignorance mawusesikolweni usemaphathini. Ngiyacela lapho ngaphandle izintombi zami ukuthi gcokani ngokufanelekile ey'ndaweni ezifanelekile please.
Ematshitshini there's a popular thing eyenzakalayo manje yamatshitshi yokuphuza. Emcimbini bafika bephuzile, ematshitshini emakhempini bafika bephuzile, bahlele ezindlini ba-attend ama-club bayaphuza. Bonomehlo evasinzi vele unomehlo ngizobuza bonomehlo ukuthi how are you guys planning to solve those situations? Nizimisela ukwenzani in order ukuthi nilungise into, because idemoni lamatshitshi lokuphuza lingene deep ukudlula le demoni elikhona lokuthi amantombazana azenza ama-lesbian namatshitshi azenza ama-lesbian in but le lokuphuza and lokuphuza imosha i-culture yethu, imosha i-culture yethu ngendlela ukuthi manje labo abanikazi be-culture bagcina sebethi hayi because kukhona besuthu that's the reason kanje, because kukhona amatsonga that's the reason kanje, so lokwangena nabanye imihlobo is the reason why kukanje manje, because before bona bokukanje, yabona. So manje I wanna know ukuthi njengabonomehlo or wena, if you are given an opportunity to fix that situation, bungayifikisa kanjani ukuthi intombi ziye kuphuza noma mhlawumbe ziqhelana notshwala?
Uzongishayisa ngabantu buti.
Cha, no, it's coming because yazi I've seen kids abana 16 17 bephuzile kuma camps. Mina nginenkinga, ayazi ngiyafisa nje ukuthi ungake uze mhlambe uzobona ukuthi how do I conduct ama camp wami mina. Uya understand, ubheke nje ngendlela abantwana bafika bayiyo ngoba indaba yotshwala, it's a very sensitive issue, but we need to put it on the table. We honestly need to put it on the table. Number one, ngifila ngathi lento yokuqala ubutshitshi ubukhe maybe so ungena so na 15 or 17 or ufika una 18 ne ufika already asazi ubuyaphi. Number one, asazi kini i-background yakini or i-structure kanjani kini. Mhlambe ubuya and angigxeki because bonke abazabethu bazama ukusiphilisa ngendlela different. Mhlambe kini your mom is a shipping queen, thengisa utshwala ekhaya. Yes.
Ne ngibuya ku shipping queen mina ekhaya elinjalo. Mamkhulu wami besihlala seka mamkhulu every weekend sika mamkhulu thengisa utshwala sesiyaseva labo baba yabo. Sisusa ama yilokho kwama glass ematafuleni kona lokho. it exposes abantwana to alcohol lento enjalo because ubaba uzoshiya into engaka when uyobeka ngale kitchen uzobela uthi wonke lamakhapha asele kancane uyagcwalisa bese uyaphuza then uthanda lobo budizi lobo okungabazi yes it's a new feeling angisho so eintombini mina what I've seen that works for ibranch yami angizi khukhumezi or in but what I've seen ukuthi mawuqala ngelo mawuqala amatshitshi uqala ngale bantwana abancane ukhula nabo ba understanda imithetho yakho ozoyibeka wena as unomehlo wabo as umphathi number 1 mina abantwana bami abafaka amazipho ne nginomntana na 21 yes it's a pity akusuMzulu kuba bazenzi leto zememulo ntontoni nani una 21 akafaka amazipho akafaka imakeup akafaki inkophi akaphuza itshwala umatriculate
good example
understand
yes
umatriculate lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye ecampini yami umntana ofaka lezo zinto lezo mina ngiyamxoxa nje sikhona amanye amaqembu acceptayo mina kwa eyami group akuna makeup efakwayo akunatshwala obuphuzwayo I check ama bag every camp mabeze campini umuntu makangena ecampini sengishoda ngalento yesilungu le yini le
fertilize
yes to check ukuthi but I've never smelled any sengikhulumela ukuthi mangi camp yami abantwana bami babodwa
bebodwa because I was gonna ask
yes.
okay
monthly camp
makukhona abantu abazayo to those camps mhlawumbe bazo attend mhlawumbe hosting a camp khona abantu abazayo from different provinces or different places beza bese mhlawumbe okay camp yakho manje ngo to have about 30 to 45 people and then this time sona abantu abangango 250 yabantwana from different places ungenza kanjani to make sure ukuthi
as leyo izodinga because umsebenzi weintombi mkhulu and masingake sivume singabaphathi nabo nomehlo ukuthi ukusebenzisana kungasenzela ulukhulu eintombini yabona lama conference abonomehlo baba nawo because mina when uyatsala nje ungibeka kule pedestal abonomehlo kodwa banama conference abahambayo there's laws eba-abhayida ngayo from the royal house ekumele bachubeke bayenze ngayo but we find ourselves abantwana bebathanda lento yamatshitshi bese badonsa nje umama bathi hayi sicela ube nomehlo wethu umama nje oyinakela indaba zakhe ozithandela amanzi amponjwane nababona aziphuzela naye bona bathi asithelele kancane uyabaphuzisa so kube into ukuthi le branch seyijwayeleke ngaleyo setup yokuthi hayi la ikhathi nomehlo tsana inkinga siyaphuza uyazi sithi kancane bese sigibele eTexini sihambe secamping thizeni so into esuka kuma groups ingakho ngizongishayisa ngabantu into esuka individual ukuthi what is your mandate ivision yakho ezunomehlo mawusungula amajiji ibe yithini it's a personal thing so mina I'm gonna answer it based on eyami vision neyami mission ukuthi mina ngiyabaza utshwala bebungenzana angibuthandi even namanje but I will never say ukuthi angibuthinti at all but I don't like the lento yokuba udiza wazi wenzeni kusathamela utshelwe ukuthi hey yazi izolugcine sowulele wenze kanje wayenza ukuthini so I teach my kids those things mina emajijini wami ukuthi yehlisana umoya futhi bane ingoma yabo ukuthi yehlisa umoya uyangithola so they need to know ukuthi sizofika isikhathi sokwenza ezinye izinto it's not now understand umntana ona 16 ozofuna ukuza ngenzipho ezinkulu neinkophe okay for what ibooster ini lento leyo mawuza ecampini because nizele ukuzocheckwa ilihlo bese nigide nicule kube mnandi imakeup iyapi ecampini
so I've noticed
emntwaneni omncane mhlawumbe singathi we can certify it after matric mina that's what I say mina kwabami ukuthi no sizokhuluma mana ninginike certificate saka matric then we talk about a lot of things
after matric vela ngithi most of the time sebayayifakela ngale manje NSFAS izinto ezikanjalo
exactly and seka free cabanga uphuma kubo manje uyohlala eRes kona decision ekumele wathathe yena but with the good background yecembe li right alijoinile lamajiji
yes
we can trust leyo mntana ukuthi wenza ama decision a right maka lapho eRes we understand but if uzosuka la ngementality yokudakwa alibele uqala ukudakwa na 14 ecampini balibe siqe isigubhu sewine njalo mabaye emacampini makafika varsity yini leyo mntwana uzofika yini kuleyo varsity
Oh yeah, that's true.
So I honestly do not have a solution for intombi as a whole concerning utshwala, but I am trying to manage it from kulabe nginabo engibolekwe bona ukuthi bangilalele. Onenkinga ngihlezi ngisho umnyango uvulekile, ngiyacela guys, I can't ngizolibele ngicrack ikhanda ngomuntu onga-understand yami vision ukuthi there is no way umntana omncane uzolibele uconsume i-alcohol izokwenzela ini.
Hey, utshwala guys, utshwala
ubhale phansi.
Utshwala nje nkosiyami buyamosha i-future yamatshitshi and kuyamosha ematshitshini, kumosha i-purpose yamatshitshi, kumosha i-purpose yokuba sematshitshini, yabona. And this thing yabona omehla abangazwani iyamosha ematshitshini. This thing yabona omehla abane-favoritism kuyamosha ematshitshini. Kuma-comment ngicane ngiphendule this question: igosa eqembini likhethwa kanjani? Namanje ngizobuza kokutshitshi ukuthi ukuze kube khona igosa eqembini likhethwa kanjani igosa?
Ngizocala ke ngiphendule. Sisalindile kuma-comment section.
Kuma-comment menzi njalo ukuthi igosa according to wena ucabanga ukuthi igosa likhethwe kanjani, yabona?
Yes. So according to me nokokutshitshi igosa masingake sithathe i-base to the important part yokuba sematshitshini. It's about character building ne-behavior yentombi.
Yes.
Character building and behavior. So mawuzokhetha igosa angeke sikhethe igosa because nginomntwana ekuwami ngoba mina ngumphathi wamatshitshi bese automatically abantwana bazalwa yimi sekuwamagosa. Abanama leadership skills.
Eish.
Abantwana baya leadership skills, abanazwelo, empathy. Mele igosa likhethwe ngalokho ukuthi uyakwazi ukubona umntwana ukuthi akakamile yini bese umboleka ikama umthela ispray yomkami. Uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi loyana iskate sakhe asayiniwe bese umtshela ukuthi cha ngeke sihambe nawe iskate singa-ayinwanga, sicela ku ohlala eduzane siyo-ayinela kubo. Uyayibona into ezinjalo.
Futhi ucela ngendlela e-right because abakwazi ukukhuluma, sebena-tendency ungakwazi ukukhuluma ekugcina siyenza lowo muntu loyo one-situations omele atshele ukuthi ngitshela une-situation agcina seyengasenzi ematshitshini because usumtshela phambi kwabantu ithi hey wena ushobene sihamba nawe thina ushobene.
You can't. Manner of approach akakhulu ke manje, the way you speak kumele igosa libe nama-people skills again. Ngikhulume nge-leadership skill, ngakhuluma nge-empathy, ngakhuluma ngani empathy which is uzwelo.
Yes.
Manje ngikhuluma ngama-people skills. You need to know how to communicate effectively again. Angeke ukwazi ukuthi uyigosa but ukhuluma nabantu rude. You can't be rude as igosa. You need to know ukuthi if ngiyakhuluma ngiwumuntu okwazi ukuzwakala na, ngikhuluma kanjani nabanye abantwana. Can I solve situations before ezinye zifika kunomehlo ngoba kunamanye ama-situation obona ukuthi okay let me solve, but uthola ukuthi if akunamagosa right inkinga ziningi ebranchini manje nomehlo sekayahluleka manje naye ukuzithekila lezo inkinga lezo because ubeke amagosa angekho right in place. So we need to look into into ezinjalo makukhethwa amagosa. Nele sibheke lezo zinto lezo singayi ngokuthi ngoba nginengane egidayo then sekuyigosa. Cha, akumelanga sikwenze lokho. Singalenzi nje lelo phutha. That's an advice also going to abonomehlo nabaphathi.
Awuphi unezwe lapho nomehlo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bathi masebezwa this advice bethathe ezifi siyanitshela ukuthi nenzeni thola nomehlo sekefuna ne-remote yokushintsha lapho i-TV. Uyabheda lokho okutshitshi qalile uyabheda nalophendwana ngimfuni kabi yabona because onomehlo they hate umuntu okhuluma iqiniso, they hate umuntu olandelela iqiniso, they hate umuntu obabonisa ama-mistakes especially from i-gender engikuyona yabona because kodwa ezinto ezu-cameraman labantwana labo ngosisi bami labo ontwana manje mangabe ngizoba criticize osisi bami ngomuntu omubi, mangabe ngizowenza into ngenzela bona still ngomuntu omubi, ugcina usungasazi nawe ukuthi hawu wenza into bayibona ukuthi into embi kodwa kusasa the same people bayibona ngathi into embi kusasa bayenza. Yes. And enye into esilimazayo ematshitshini ukuthi onomehlo abaningi ngabazwani. abafuni ukuphathwa, abafuni ukuphathana, abafuni ukuzwana. That's the another thing esilimaza, because lento ukuthi amaqembu a distance ukuthi iqembu lami likanje lihambelana neqembu likanje, once umntwana wasuka wayangale sekukhona ikinga, senidale impi. Amatshitsha the only thing amatshitsha futhi nakhona lento le uyibheka nasemhlangeni ayisekho lento ukuthi intombi mahlangana nezintombi into eyi-one. Laba befikile bazofuna ukubonisa ukuthi laba ba-right laba bakhokha usibanibane or bacula udlula bagide ukudlula kanjani, and that thing iyanibulala because ekugcineni nisematshitshini into eyi-one. Nihlangane ngento eyi-one,
nizohlolwa ngendlela eyi-one. Akunakuthi khona abahlolwa ngegolide or ababekwa engubeni edura kakhulu yase-Woolworths. Cha, kuhlolwa nje ngendlela eyi-one, kudlala iqansi eliyi-one, whether i-200 wonke umuntu uyolala kulelo qansi lelo. Whether ubuye ku-background e-right kini or ubuye e-background e-disadvantage, uma useyimatshitshini yinto eyodwa.
So as Nomehlo, I know ukuthi sethi Nomehlo as umphathi.
Thank you.
You have been emicimbini eminingi.
Yes.
And unokubona ekhempini ebusuku ukuthi intombi bayiningi. Then it happened ukuthi ekuseni masuku ogeza emfuleni kuzobuya kuhlole isibalo seyintombi sezehlile. Seyibuya emcimbini. Lanto leya mawucabanga wena ngendlela intombi ezenza ngayo, leyo mawucabanga yini eyenza ukuthi kuze kwenzeke leso simo leso.
Nasi isimo ngicabanga ukuthi lesimo leso sidalwa ukuthi ayisho kunentombi kunetshitshi ne. Yes, mangikhuluma ngentombi ngifuna ukuyi-explaina nge-perspective yami ukuthi ungaba umuntu, ayisho umuntu wesifazane, ngeke sithi umfazi ngathi so umdala, cha, sizothi uyintombi. Kodwa mhlawumbe uyintombi uyasoma,
yes,
okanye usuyalala, kodwa uyayithanda lento yokugida, yokuya entombini, yokuhlangana namatshitshi, uye kuma imhlonyana, uye kumemulo, imigidi nje namakhempu entombi uyalithanda. So kudalwa yilokho ke ukuthi iy'ntombi sizithola singaphakathi, singabophathi naboNomehlo, singaphakathi sinabantwana ekuwukuthi beza emakhempini because bayayithanda lento. Kodwa makufika lesikhathi esi-important sokuhlolwa babaleke, babuye sebabuya sebagcokile ngathi manje amatshitshi kungasiwona amatshitshi,
benamachashazi
bawafake nawo and bayawathenga-ke manje. It's either if mangabe uyenza i-Colgate bazogcobisa i-Colgate, manje siyahamba siyothenga iy'tika, nabo sebayahamba bazithengela iy'tika zabo. Umuntu abuye and uthola umcimbi bona 250 yamatshitshi, hlelo Nomehlo bayi-4 phansi bahlola. Mase nifikile nina ngamakhamera wenu sekuyagidwa sekushintshwana, asisekho-ke isikhathi sokuthi uzotomula umntwana ombona ukuthi lo bekangekho makuhlolwa mara bekakhona izolo ekhempini. Namhlanje makugezwa simbonanga nanoma kuhlolwa, ayisuka lapho yayibona sewudala i-commotion kuloyo mcimbi loyo. Gcina sebayekwa-ke manje bagide ngabantwana abethu abahloliwe khona lapho. So it is angazi ukuthi izosolveka kanjani, or nabo kumele bake bayikhulumele, mhlawumbe ngeni ba-interview bake bayikhulumele ukuthi what is it, do they need their own organization, their own place where they can gather and talk about how they've disappointed themselves? What do they want? Do they still want to build their characters and their behavior? And basakhetha yini ukulala nabafana, or because I feel ukuthi mangabe bazoba amongst labantwana abahlolwayo bazojike futhi babe some sort, I don't like using negative words, but i-poison of some sort, because bazotshela abantwana ukuthi hayo yazi kumnandi kanjani ukuba busy nomfana ngendlela so, bese abantwana bethu ba-raise ama-eyebrows ke ukuthi what, hayibo mina phela ubhuti thizeni ke wangibamba kanje, uxolani ngezwe igazi lami ligijima kanje kwabanjani njani, bazofuna ukuyi-experience lento leyo. So that's the danger of having abantwana abasebaphulike idolo ngaphakathi kwey'ntombi ezingaka-experience zonke lezo zinto lezo.
So manje as I was asking this question and uchaza khona abantwana abangahlolwa njengoba ngisho, but kusasa ubathole bempelesile.
Hayi yabo bani labo kanti ke hayi.
Yes, for example khona abantwana ongathi uma ungabuka imicimbi esishuta yaso cameraman on YouTube, uyabona ukuthi okheshapha ecampini bakhona mara masoshuta ivideo ekuseni kushuta abantu bemfulweni kubuye yonke into you never see them ubabone kwivideo usubabona emcimbini okay sharp ke sasa sininini uyamthola umntana khona sekempelesile noma uyamthola evela sekempelesile ehloliwe kodwa the same person beke ngekho lapho or umthole mhlawumbe umunye enza umcimbi
ongahambi intombi at all
lo muntu lo labantwana abahamba ekusimo sokuthamba abantwana basemaqembeni ikhona lento le because abantu most of the time remember uma nifika emcimbini mothi ngenza umcimbi nifika nihlezi mfenge ngama-group naye abantwana bayafika uyamazi umntwana kanje ukuthi eqembini kanje uyabazi abantwana bakanje baseqembini kanje bayafika ekuseni bayanyamalala lesikhathi sokuhlola bayabuya mara sinini nomntwana ufika umthola kusasempelesini kusasa uyamthola wenze umcimbi
hayibo
kuyinto ekhona ebonwayo ngabantu bangaphandle kwale jini yamatshitshi nabantu abasematshitshini bayayibona
igama elibi kokuningi and the culture nje ngifila ngathi manje le culture ngathi iya-abuswa mangithi ngiyayibheka seyiya-abuswa manje and iluza i-essence ne-importance yayo ngendlela eyenziwa ngayo. For instance ungikhumbuza something right now uyazi ukuthi sinokuthola ama-bookings ngi-inbox sekuthiwa kokutshitshi ngicela uzongibambela umsebenzi or ngicela amatshitshi azongincedisa ibizwani lento ngenza umemulo.
Yes ngicela
intombi.
Yes
mina ngibuza i-question ngithi okay fine uyenza umemulo kugonqwa kanjani umpeleselwa bobani ubani ozohlola because mangiza neintombi kumele kube kuhloliwe lapho siyakhempa nawe kumele siye emfuleni nawe yabo lezo zinto lezo bese umuntu aphenduleke ngoba ayisho ama-client so that's the business side of it now. If ufuna ukucasha amatshitshi wami eze emshadweni wakho or eze kumemulo wakho because ama-invitation asicharge-ani siyaziyela emhlonyaneni siyaziyela kumemulo but if I'm gonna get someone othi ngicela ukucasha amatshitshi ngenza umemulo mina kula ngiphakamisa khona yabona indlebe sokuthi hayibo sesiyacashwa masiya manje kumemulo asinenywa ngoba sidinga isimemo nje bese siyeza siyintombi sidle lapho sigide sambe sifishiye i-present. Umuntu angitsho angikho ecembini lamatshitshi mina ekhaya sihlolo mina I decline those kind of invitation or umuntu athi kokutshitshi ngizonibhadala ngicela intombi zizongigidisa ngifila ngathi manje ngibasusa kule nto yabo yamatshitshi ngibafaka entweni engingayazi nami ngizoyi-explaina ngiyithini ebazalini siyogidisa umuntu esingazi ukuthi uhlolwa akahlolwa uthi abahlolwa ekhaya.
The thing is
so kenziwani so why kenziwa loyo memulo or umhlonyana if akuhlolwa emgonqweni kenziwani kudliwa ama-KFC manje emgonqweni kufakwa inzipho emgonqweni the whole week abantu bayasileya ababhizi ne-Instagram
benza
kuningi ama-live emgonqweni
benza ama-live ku-TikTok nami I was about to ask vele indaba yomgonqozi yabo indaba omgonqo iyowenza ama-live emgonqweni
angiyizwa
isinto ejwayelekile manje common ukuthi
and ayivumelekanga le nto leyo
yabona so leyo nto leyo was about to ask ichaphazela kanjani usiko lethu or limaza kanjani usiko lethu according to wena indlela obheka ngayo. Iyayisusa i-importance yomgonqo as a whole iyawubulala completely. Number one emgonqweni umuntu mayoyongena mhlawumbe futhi yazini but abantu aba-understand ukuthi makuthiwa yenziwe umhlonyana kusuke kenziwani like why kenziwa umhlonyana. I guess le nto le yenza ukuthi abantu banga-understand is because ama-rumors akhona ngomemulo because most abantu bazi umemulo ukuthi you can do it nanoma ungasiyitshitshi as long ngene bakuthembisile yinto eyenza ukuthi i-importance yomhlonyana bagcine namhlanje bengayi-understand because indaba imoshakale lapha kumemulo kuyinto ejahwe kakhulu ukuthi umuntu angenza umhlonyana ngiya kumemulo.
Mina-ke ngiyayithanda leyo encouragement eyokuthi masenzele umntwana umhlonyana athi ngifuna ukuzigcina ngifike kumemulo. Ngithanda leyo encouragement ne so ngifuna ukuza endabeni yomhlonyana because I feel ukuthi umhlonyana yinto a very very common. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uhlezi ubhukhwa njalo uyoshuda imihlonyana left right and center. Common kakhulu umhlonyana and sewutreatwa as i-sweet 16 of which that's not the essence yomhlonyana. Umhlonyana umsebenzi oyenziwayo umntwana nakaqala athomba. Ukuthomba uqala ukubona your menstrual cycle, uqala ukubona. Singena into ebalekile yomgonqo. Intombi mayiqala ukubonwa kanjalo ibikela ugogo wayo or ibikela uma wayo, iyathathwa isekamereni la kagogo emgonqweni. Kakhulukazi emakhaya kuba into engathi kusemsamo, ikamera la kagogo kuba umsamo most of the time. La it's a sacred place. Abanye emakhaya baba namarondo owazi ukuthi olela rondo kusemsamo la ekhaya. Then kula kuzothiwa kula kuyogonqelwa khona. Emgonqweni akubangwa msindo. Number 1, it's a sacred place. Abo baba kumelanga bazwe intombi ziscreama zihleka zenzani lapho mabalibele basebaleni or benzani. Bazokhipha inkomo or bayalusa whatever. It's into yasemgonqweni, into yabo mama. Uzobona nje ngabo mama balibele bashintshana endlini unga understand yabo. Bese kubikela abo baba ngendlela eright. Kuba nomuntu o specific ohamba yobikela abomndeni bonke ukuthi ingane yethu seyingena ebuntombini manje. Isiwabonile amalanga wayo. We don't umphakathi na wonke umuntu do not need to know ukuthi kwenziwani phakathi komgonqo. That is when kuyalwa umntwana ukuthi sozo njalo ngenyanga kuzoba kanje emzimbeni wakho, umzimba ushintsha kaso kwenza ipurpose yomgonqo. Kungena abantu abayoyala loyo mntwana ukuthi yabona ke sisi sohlala kanje mawuhlala uyenza kanje, lezo zinto lezo izinto ekungamelanga sizipublicize sithi siyenza live ya ku Instagram or ya ku TikTok. Kune trend yokuthi kuyascreenwa manje emigonqweni kushaywa igubhu, abantwana bayagida bayarasa the whole week emgonqweni. Abantu abagonqile should not be doing lezo zinto lezo. Mele ziyenziwe yilaba abazobabona nanoma akumelanga bababone kahle kahle ngisho ufihliwe.
Ngithi kuba khona vele indwangu le.
Yes, kuyafihlwa kodwa most ayenziwa kangako. Abasayenzi kanjalo. Bavele nje abantu noma bagonqile nabaye toilet bavele baphume kanjalo baye toilet. Abasavalwa ngengubo, abanye bayavalwa ukuthi bangabonwa vele. Ahamba ye toilet aphinda abuye, abanye abazenzi lezo zinto lezo. So yiyo into ebulala lezi zinto, i-essence ngibiza nge-essence ne-importance yani yento esifana nomhlonyane. Into enjalo ke then umhlonyane kuke kucelwe ukuthi sicela amathongo wala ekhaya noNkulunkulu bamboza ingane yethu ngoba iseyincane kodwa siwabonile amalanga wayo. So leyo mbuzo eyokhulunyiswa mangabe isiko lesizulu yenzwa ngesizulu ikhulunyisa ukuthi akumbozwe umntanethu angabonakali njengomuntu ongathi seka ready for kuba nomntwana.
Oh yes.
Si uyambozwa ingakho uzobona kwabanye abakhishwa ebusuku ecampini yakhe emgonqweni, uyophuma sekabonakala sekabuya uyogeza emfuleni sekahloliwe because it's a sacred place. You need to be hidden. Ngomemulo kula uvulwa khona ukuthi okay sekungama indwangu emhlophe la ekhaya isho ukuthi intombi ingaganwa ingaqoma iyenze konke lokho, kodwa ngomhlonyane sithi sicela ukuthi ambozeke akwazi ukufika esigabeni sokuba intombi engakhishelwa inkomo or kufika incwadi ethi sizocela isihlobo esihle la ekhaya.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa kokutshitshi.
Yebo
ukutshitshi. Ngicela i-message for labantwana aba out there abangenalwazi ngamatshitshi. Okay, before ngivala so painful ukuzwa intombi zithi mina semigcinele ukuthi bona ngelanga lomcimbi wami ngizothola imali because most abantwana abafuna ukuthi umhlonyana manje abantwana ababheke imali etholakala kumhlonyana i-umbrella. Most abantu abenza umemulo kushana abangasemakhithi izinto bebuye they check that money etholakala lapho mawenze umbrella. That's why uthola sometimes sebethi hey sicela ukuqasha because into khona seyeba le mali nje ithola through i-umbrella. So ngicela ungiphele message lawo bantwana labo abanalo mentality leyo ukuthi hey mina ngizoyenza umcimbi ngenzela le yamali. Nalabo bafuna
I wonder bayenzani le mali mabaceda ukuyithola.
Nalabo abangekho abasemachitchini for content ngicela ungiphele message nalabo because khona usually ogogo abanye banokuthi amachwichwi lawo because they are there for content. Baslay amaslay queen yabona. Ngicela ungiphele message for lawo bantwana labo
udlala
ungiphele message futhi for intombi ehlele endlini esingahambi intombi because of ama situation eziwafacile lapha, is either ibullying or yabona izinto ezenza ukuthi intombi ziyeke intombini. Ngicela nje ubheke ikhamera lapha ubatshele
Matshitshi, intombi zonke ezikhona eSouth Africa yonke, i-advice enginganipha yona ukuthi umhlonyana asiwenzeli imali ye-umbrella. Umhlonyana, it's a very important ritual ey'ntombini. Siwenzela ukukhulisa iy'ntombi nokukhulekisa imimoya ukuthi iy'ntombi zibe protected, noku-embrace ukuthi umntana wethu uyakhula as a family. We do not do it for i-umbrella. I-umbrella ayibalulekile neze. And then when it comes to la matshitshi lawa ayenza angene ey'ntombini because of content, ufuna ama-followers, ufuna ukubonakala ukuthi wena umuhle, you are setting up yourself up for failure, guys. There's no way uzothi ungene ematshitshini because ufuna ukutrenda. Number one, uzibeke engcupheni yokukidnapwa, human trafficking, nokubulawa, nokurejwa. That is what I can say ukuthi be ematshitshini because you want to be something better empilweni. You want to build your character. You also want to build your behavior. Ufuna nje ukuba umuntu ozo-add i-impact in your community nanoma sowumdala. So i-content has nothing to do namatshitshi. Angeke kise ndawo ukuthi wena ufika uhlala ugcoka imvunulo enhle kakhulu or in. You don't do that. Honestly, there is. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-interview, for i-episode yaka Gokjiji. Please stay tuned ku YouTube. Uma uqala ukubukela lo hlelo leli, please subscribe and follow i-channel yeGumbi laMatshitshi, and there's more coming. Thank you.
Sanbona Mahamla.